In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Internet Download Manager, or IDM, with the Brave browser, enhancing your download capabilities to make your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. First, we're going to begin by ensuring you have IDM installed on your computer. To do this, you'll want to navigate to the official IDM website. Simply type in the website URL internetdownloadmanager.com and hit enter. Once you're on the site, look for the download link, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click the download button to start the download process. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder and double-click it to run. This will launch the installer, and you can follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation on your PC. Remember, follow each step carefully to ensure the application is installed properly. Now that IDM is installed, our next task is to enable its extension in the Brave browser. Open Brave by clicking on its icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is running, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window, where you'll see the menu icon. Click on this menu icon to open a drop-down list of options, and from there, navigate your way to the Extensions option. Selecting this will bring up a page displaying all the extensions currently installed in your Brave browser. With the Extensions page open, the next thing you want to do is turn on IDM's integration. Scroll through your list of extensions until you find the one labeled IDM Integration Module. Once you've located it, you'll see a switch right next to it. Go ahead and toggle this switch to the on position. This will activate the extension and allow IDM to work seamlessly with your Brave browser. Should you want IDM to operate when using incognito mode, feel free to take one additional step. Click on Details under the IDM Integration module, and you'll find an option to enable Allow in Incognito. Check this option if you need the extension to be active while browsing privately. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Internet Download Manager to work with your Brave browser. This integration will help manage your downloads more efficiently and can significantly speed up download times compared to the default browser capabilities. Keep exploring its features to get the most out of IDM and enjoy your newfound productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share if you found this guide helpful.